previously. So maybe what you're talking about is, you know, this cooling, this basically this grand solar minimum has some type of effect on the atmosphere, on the actual ozone layer. So they are attempting to block it to prevent some type of even more intense solar radiation. And I can confirm with what that gentleman says about the UV lights as far as radiation is concerned, because I've been tracking the radiation levels since 2013. I have 2 different Geiger counters, and in San Antonio specifically, the levels have gone from 0.07 microsieverts per hour, which is relatively low on average, to now it's up to, you know, 0.1, 0.12, 0.14. So it's gone up 50 to 100% over the past 7 years. And I can't confirm what that's from, but the radiation has increased. So I think this is very interesting. So let's talk more about the information that you're presenting. What do we need to look out for, and what are some other key data points? This is fascinating.
Well, and you mentioned about how people say the sun is more biting. And by the way, what we're showing right now, this is cloud coverage on 2 different layers, the very top atmosphere and lower atmosphere. But if you're looking at the Earth right now, this is what you're seeing. And this is due to the cosmic ray influx seeding our atmosphere, guys. We don't need anything in the sky to spray to block the sun. The clouds are already doing that. Believe that. These clouds are from the cloud nucleation of cosmic rays. But it's interesting, you mentioned about how it feels like the sun's biting your skin more. Well, that UV is getting in, weaker magnetosphere, so that's where people are feeling that bite when they go out into that direct sunlight. And, you know, what we need to look for now, though, guys, basically, is that we will see not everywhere is going to get cold. This is not a global cooling to the point where everyone is an ice cube. This starts off in the grand solar minimum. These happen every 206 years. Normal minimum cycles happen every 11. Every 200 or so, you get the big one. And all the data that we've looked at, the sunspot data, the solar flares, the coronal holes, everything is matching up right now to what is supposed to happen when you head into a grand solar minimum. But this one is different from other minimums. And when you say the sun's going to go to sleep, you're not lying about that. That's exactly what's going to happen. Less sunspots on the sun creates cooler temperatures. More sunspots on the sun, like during a maximum, will give us hotter temperatures. But right now, as far as cloud coverage and spraying goes, like I said, I can't speak on that. All I can speak on is the science that we know, that we can confirm. And like I said, all the data is available on our website, thegrandsolarminimum.com. Mari, did you want to add any kind of points that, I know there's growing, indoor growing, but what else would you like to throw in? You haven't really got to talk.
I usually just direct stuff anyway. My biggest concern, really, with the changes that we're seeing, and here is the big thing. People can agree and disagree on whatever's going on, whether it's cooling, heating, Planet X, Nibiru, you know, anything.
It doesn't mean
it could be anything. The bottom line is things are weird, things are changing, and we have proof that if people don't start adapting to these changes, we're going to see some catastrophic things. And I feel truly, the more people that are out there and are aware and are prepared, the maybe perhaps more
we need to look into more of them.
Things will go down. Maybe we'll have a softer landing. I think we're humans.